Hey guys, hopefully you can hear my Christmas music in the background. I want to show you how to make a quick project. Okay, in your folders you have a heart. It looks, or not a heart, but a star. It looks different than mine. It's got like scalps on it, around it. Go ahead and get that out. You need your red and white and green strips out. You need this small white piece of paper out. Then you're going to need a scissors, glue stick, or staple. So go get those things right now. Pause my video if you need to go get them. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the star. Now your star looks a little different than mine. I'm using an example from a couple years ago. But you can cut that out. You don't have to cut all of those little hoops out, just bubble cut it so that your star looks like this, okay? When you get your star like this, I want you to put it so that there is a point at the top, and I want you to roll it over because we need to make a slit with our scissors on the bottom. So if you roll it over, you line it all up, okay? And if you take your scissors and you go like this, okay, and cut, you will make an opening, okay? That opening is right here, okay? You'll make an opening. You need that opening. Once you have that opening, then go ahead and cut out this little poem. And I'm going to just do a really quick like little bubble cut on this just so that it doesn't look quite square. It's kind of a cool little poem. And we're going to, let's read the poem to you in just a second. So I cut it out and now it looks like this. So I'm now going to take my glue stick. I'm going to glue that on. I'm going to glue it onto my star, but I'm going to make sure not to cover up that opening that we made. So I'm going to put it up here. And it's okay if it kind of overlaps your bubbles. So it looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my strips. And you should have you need a total of 23 strips. And you might have 8 reds, 8 greens, and 7 whites, or 7 greens, 8 and 8. It doesn't really matter. You just need a total of 23. And this is where I'm going to use my stapler. And you can use your glue stick if you want. I'm just going to put a staple here and a staple on the other side so that I start making a chain. Okay, so there's my first one. Then I'm going to take my white one and I'm going to put that below my red one. And like I said, you can use glue if you want. If you want to take it a little bit longer, or if you have a good stapler and you can staple them, you'll get it done a little quicker. So then I have my second one. Okay, so I'm going to just keep adding onto my chain until I have a total of 23. And then I'm going to stop. Because here's what our poem says. Each evening after stories are read, take off one ring and hop into bed. When only the star is left to shine, then you'll know it's vacation time. So we're doing a countdown, but not a countdown to Christmas. We're doing a countdown to Christmas break. So you're going to make this and then you're going to hang it either in your bedroom or the kitchen refrigerator, wherever you can take a chain off every night. Okay? Alright, so you're going to make that this afternoon. I hope you like your countdown chain, and I will see you all tomorrow.